Steaming is a great way to open up your pores and give your face a healthy glow. To get started, put 1 to 2 cups, 237 to 473 milliliters of water in a small pot on the stove. Then bring it to a boil. While the water is heating up, wash your face with a mild facial cleanser. You can also apply a vitamin A facial cream before steaming to open up pores even more. Once the water boils, remove the pot from the heat and pour the water into a heat-safe glass or ceramic bowl. Set the bowl on a folded towel on top of a flat surface, such as a table. If you want, add a few drops of your favorite essential oil to the water. Put a towel over your head so that it drapes around your face and the bowl on either side and traps the steam. Bring your face close enough to the bowl so that you can feel the steam, but not so close that it singes your skin. Let your skin soak up the steam for about 10 minutes, then remove the towel. Right after you're done steaming is a perfect time to apply a clay face mask, since your pores will be relaxed and open. After you rinse the mask away, apply a toner, then moisturize your face to keep your skin soft and hydrated.